Welcome to this episode of Harmony Road. Today we're going to be talking about farm animals, and we'll even sing the Old MacDonald Song. I'm Sandra, Noah and Liam's mom, and Noah and Liam are going to help me out today as well. Okay, we're going to start with this animal. Noah and Liam, what is this animal?
Cow.
Okay, can one of you put this into the barn?
I will.
We're going to fill up our barn with farm animals. And what does the cow say?
Moo.
Yes, it goes moo. All right, there we have the cow. Okay, next we are going to do this animal. What is this animal?
Sheep.
Yes, and what does the sheep say?
Bah.
Yes. Okay, Liam, can you put that in the barn?
Somewhere.
Yeah, you choose where you want to put that.
Right there.
Okay. Next, we are going to do this animal. What is this?
Horse.
Yes, and what does the horse say?
Neigh.
Yeah, good job.
Get
Okay,
up.
now it's Noah's turn.
No.
Yeah, we go back and forth, Liam. Okay, you're going to do the next one. All right, Noah, put it in the barn. Okay, Liam, what is this one? What is this animal? It's a
Chicken.
chicken. What does the chicken say?
Cluck, cluck.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. Yes. All right, Liam, you can put the chicken in the barn. There you go. Okay.
Chicken goes up there.
Yeah, okay. That's a great place for it. That's a great place. Good job, guys. All right, let's do this next animal. What is this?
That's a pig.
What does the pig say, Noah?
Oink.
Yes. Okay. Here, Noah, you can put the pig in the barn. All right, good job. And here we have, what's this?
Rooster.
A rooster. And these roosters, they sometimes like to sit on top of the barn. So, Liam, can you put the rooster on top of the barn?
Yeah.
And what does the rooster say?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, Liam, or Noah, you go ahead.
Okay,
You can put it up there. There's a special spot for it. Right up there. Okay,
Maybe
and you
I'll
know
get-
what? Let's see. And who is this supposed to be, do you think?
A farmer.
Yeah, and you know what? I bet we could even call him Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-nay-nay here and a nay-nay there. Here a nay, there a nay, everywhere a nay-nay. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken. E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a a cock-a-doodle-doo here and a cock-a-doodle-doo there. Here a cock-a-doodle-doo, there a cock-a-doodle-doo, everywhere a cock-a-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
Hello.
Who's there? That's Liam? Noah. There's Noah and Liam.
I will look.
If you like this episode of Harmony Road, subscribe, like, or comment below. Thanks for watching.